What's up guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Alex. Today we got another video. We're working on the truck. So let me show you guys something. So on the front we have a bunch of all these different bars. We got the strut bars, torsion bars, but on the rear it's all empty. So that's what we're going to change today. We got some traction bars that finally came in after 35 days and we're going to install them. So alright, let's go. Alright, so here's the traction bars. So what comes with them is obviously two bars. We got the mounts, the brackets that we're putting onto the bottom of the U-bolts. And this just goes over your stock U-bolt bracket. Yeah, I don't know what the heck happened to these brackets, but during shipping or something, this is how they came. And here's the difference. So this bar, we haven't done anything to it yet. And then this bar we clear brought it, so it actually has, you know, clear protective film. You can see that's clear broad, that's not. I don't know if you can kind of tell. Yeah, see, you can kind of see this is more glossy, this is actually more matte. I just don't know how they came like so scratched up and marred and everything. The guy gave me like $150 off refund, but still we had to polish everything. Like this, we polished it and we put some clear brown here just to bring the shine back. And then this side, no polish, no clear brown yet, and this is what it looks like. So yeah, and it took 35 days to get in. So alright, we got the bad boy in the shop. So nothing in the back and a bunch of stuff in the front. It looks so busy, there's bars all over the place. So we're gonna change that for the rear. Alright, so on this side, we already put the mount. This is what it looks like. It goes right on the bottom of the U-bolt bracket, the factory one. And then that's it. And then we're gonna put the traction bar on here and then just see where it ends off. It's supposed to end off right here somewhere, right in this little part. So yeah, it's gonna look pretty awesome. We have to drill some holes in here, put them bolts through, and that's it. Alright, on this side we have the insert for the bushing, the metal one. It's a little too long to fit into the actual bracket, so we have to grind it down a little bit and then fit it in. This is the bushing insert. It does not fit, like even here. So we literally need like a millimeter, if that, even just a little bit grinded off. Alright, much better. It's still nice and tight, but it just has a little bit of play in there, so then we'll have enough to tighten this up. Pretty much we have to put up this bracket onto the frame, mark the holes, and then keep in mind you have to keep the truck on a level ground, not lift it on any jacks or anything, because it has to be sitting exactly how it's going to be driving. Measure out, drill the holes, and that's it. Alright, so the traction bars are installed. I didn't show it to you guys when we just finished them because it was very dark, and I kind of wanted to show it to you guys in the daytime. So they look pretty sweet. They were from eBay, from a company in took about like 30 days to get here. Usually they said it takes about 2 weeks, you know, for them to build it, ship it out, but they were backed up really bad, and it just took longer. The packaging, it wasn't really packaged that well, so it came in a little scratched up, so I had to like polish it and put some clear on there to kind of bring back the glossiness. But you know, all in all, like, it's all good. Like the bars look nice, they're effective, you know, they're the axle stays in place nice and solid. So yeah, so let me just show you guys what they look like. So yeah, that's what they look like. Pretty simple to install. You know, here's the plate, the mounting plate. Pretty much you just have to drill the holes through the frame, you know, install it. I don't know why the bolts are green. I'm gonna probably polish them or just paint them black so they match all the other bolts, because all the other bolts are silver. But yeah, this company actually built them and powder coated them. I just told them what color, and the color matches really well, so it's, you know, same color. They did a good job. But yeah, it just, the packaging wasn't great. And then it just connects to the bottom of the U-bolts. They built like just a custom bracket. It bolts onto the bottom of the U-bolts, and then it just goes here. So yeah, it looks nice. Why I installed it is, you know, so the axle would be in place. So if you do a burnout, you're not gonna have any wheel hop, and so it's being nice and solid. And plus, we have a bunch of bars in the front, and I wanted to add a little bit more of color and some more stuff going on in the back. So that's why I installed it. But yeah, what do you guys think? I think it looks pretty sweet, right? Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Found it at least helpful. If you guys have a truck and you guys are looking for traction bars, now you guys know that there's an option on eBay that's actually pretty good. You might have to wait for it a little bit longer, but the actual product is good. So, alright guys, you guys have a good day, and I'll see you guys next video.